from our last video, we solved and also as well gave us few things to also attempt. I believe you have done the A, and I want to look at the B today, and I don't want to take us too long, so let's just go for the solution. So we have 1/3, write the proportion as ratio: 1/3 of B, 1/5 of Q, 1/4 of R, and the remainder S. And going back to what we did in our last video on this very topic, ratio. Let me write it down. Ratios. So remember that we at the end of the video we said that the sum of the numerators will give us what the denominator. So you have to also consider that here. So let's just bring it out. The ratio, how is it going to look like? It is going to be P is to Q is to R and is to S. So at this point we have a fraction of P, you have fraction of Q, we have a fraction of R, but we don't have that of S, the remainder. So firstly we'll look for the remainder, and then we have the ratio written down. So let's put out the fraction. The fraction here is 1/3 is to 1/5 is to 1/4 is to S. Is to S. So we don't know S, so let's just continue. The LCM of 3, 5, and 4 is 60. 5 times 4, 20, 20 times 3 is 60. So you can see they don't have anything in common, so you have to multiply the denominator. Have the LCM is 60. Now 60 divided by 3 is 20. 20 times 1 is 20. 60 divided by 5 is 12. 12 times 1 is still 12. 20 divided by 4 is 15. 15 times 1 is still 15. Is to S. We don't know this. We know what S is. So remember, like I say, that the sum of the numerators will give us what? The 60, the denominator. So in this case, that means if we add all this together, including x, it will give us 60. So 20 plus 12 is 32. 32 plus 15 is 47. So 47 plus s will give us 60. So therefore s will be 60 minus 47. And if we subtract that very well, we have s to be equal to what? 13. So therefore we now have this to be 20 is to 12 is to 15 is to 13 as our what? Ratio. So we don't have any other thing, because none of them can be reduced. You can say they cannot be reduced since they don't have anything in common. So we have 20 is to 12 is to 15 is to 13 as our answer. So I hope this is well simplified. You understand? Please, if you don't understand, drop your comments and let us know where you have issues, so we can talk about it in our next video. And this topic is as simple as you can see. So I want to hear from you to know how you are coping with their class, and if you have any issue, drop it on the comment section. Please, I need your like, and also want you to share to also that others can as well learn from this very platform. I thank you very much for joining this video, and I hope to see you in our next class.